Right, more breaking updates coming in. Let's cut across to the Mumbai police, which is holding a press conference on the Bully Bai case.
म्हणून आमची केस काय आहे आणि त्याच्यात आतापर्यंत काय कारवाई झालेली आहे याबद्दल तुम्हाला माहिती द्यावी, खात्रीशीर माहिती देण्यासाठी म्हणून ही प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स आज घेण्यात येत आहे। यामध्ये ज्या बेसिक गोष्टी आहेत इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनच्या त्या मी आपल्याला सांगणार, परंतु त्याचबरोबर हा फक्त 3 दिवस जुना तपास आहे आणि याच्यात अजून बराच मोठा तपास आपल्याला करावायचा बाकी आहे। तरी फार संवेदनशील असा तपासाचा भाग आपल्याला सांगता येणार नाही, कारण त्यामुळे
basic details of the investigation which may hamper the flow and progress of investigation.
त्यासाठी आपण सगळ्यांनी सहकार्य करावं आणि इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन कॉम्प्रोमाइज न होता आपल्याला सांगता येणार नाही, मला सांगता येण्यासारखी आहे ती आपल्याला आम्ही सांगू, परंतु विशिष्ट खोलातील माहितीसाठी आपण आग्रह धरू नये, कारण हा ऑनलाईन तपास आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये ऑनलाईन तपासामध्ये आरोपींना जे अजून अटक झालेली नाहीत त्यांना कोणत्या प्रकारचा फायदा मिळू नये यासाठी काही गोष्टी
however keep some information to us in the interest of the investigation.
कारण हा ऑनलाईन तपास आहे की इंटरनेटवर वेब बेस्ड ॲप तयार करण्यात आलं बुल्ली बाई,
He shouldn't get heed of some small minutiae and details of our investigation.
मी आपल्याला दाखवतो त्या प्रकारचे काही, हे त्याचं पेज आहे,
Best app made on the internet called Bully Bai.
आणि मला त्या साईटवर घेऊन जातं डिटेल्ससाठी। तर याच्यामध्ये मोडस ऑपरेंडी अशी होती,
So I'm trying to explain the modus operandi now. This is how the app was created. This is the page of that app.
या साईटमध्ये लोड करण्यात आले होते आणि त्यांच्या
To the site.
त्यामध्ये मोडस ऑपरेंडी अशी होती, मेसेज या साईटवर देण्यात आला, अशी आमच्याकडे तक्रार प्राप्त झाल्यानंतर 31 तारखेला आम्ही साईटमध्ये लोड दाखल केला। 2 तारखेला 31 तारखेची ही ॲप डेव्हलप झालेली आहे, लोड झालेली आहे आणि आमच्याकडे तक्रार आली, त्याच्यानंतर आमचा गुन्हा दाखल झाला। गुन्हा दाखल झाल्यानंतर या ॲपचं
After we received complaints that some communities were specifically targeted, we registered an offense on the 31st.
ॲप डेव्हलप झालेली आहे, लोड झालेली आहे, आलं होतं, आमच्याकडे तक्रार आली, जेणेकरून ह्या ट्विटर हँडलद्वारे ही जी वेबसाईट होती बुल्ली बाई ॲप आणि त्याचं ट्विटर हँडलचं एनालिसिस केल्यानंतर,
After the complaint was registered, we did a Twitter analysis and analysis this app. There was a Twitter handle, there was an app called Bully Bai.
जेणेकरून या बुल्ली बाई ॲपचे फॉलोअर्स कोण आहेत याबाबत आम्ही माहिती काढली।
Through the Twitter handle, we searched for the information as to who were the followers of this app.
बँगलोरचा कुमार विशाल हा जो सेकंड इयरला इंजिनिअरिंगमध्ये शिकणारा तरुण आहे, याबाबत आम्ही माहिती काढली। आणि वेबसाईटचा एक फॉलोअर आहे आणि इतर
was
4
a,
आहेत.
we traced him.
या सगळ्यांचा आम्ही तपास करायला लागलो आणि याच्यामध्ये आम्हाला
Second year engineering student from Bangalore.
ज्यांच्या नावाने ट्विटर हँडल सुरू झाले होते त्यांच्यापर्यंत हे धागेदोरे पोहोचले आणि मग एक एक करून आम्ही या आरोपींना ताब्यात घेणं
And is
सुरू केलं.
accused. And we started arresting them.
आम्ही या प्रकरणामध्ये 3 आरोपी अटक केलेले आहेत. यापैकी एक विशाल झा हा ऑलरेडी मुंबईला आहे आणि त्याचे 5 दिवसाची पोलीस कस्टडी.
All these 4-5 accused in the case.
3 आरोपी अटक केलेले आहेत.
We have arrested 3 accused in the case so far.
यापैकी एक विशाल सिंग
One, Vishal Jha.
ऑलरेडी मुंबईला आहे आणि त्याचे
He is in Mumbai.
5 दिवसाची ट्रान्झिट रिमांड त्याची सुद्धा होईल. या एकंदरीत प्रकारावरून 5 दिवसाची
We have also sought transit remand of Shweta Singh in this case.
हा सुद्धा उत्तराखंड मधलाच आहे.
The third accused is from Uttarakhand,
थोड्याच वेळात ट्रान्झिट रिमांड
and in a while we will also seek transit remand of the third accused who is from Uttarakhand.
या एकंदरीत प्रकारावरून हा कोणत्या एका गटाचा भाग आहे की कसे याबद्दल आपला तपास आता सुरू आहे.
What we are trying to decipher is whether this is a part of a larger conspiracy
आणि याच्यामध्ये
or a larger design or scheme, and we will go to the root of the matter and find out.
त्या सर्व आरोपितांचा यामध्ये चौकशी केली जाईल आणि त्यांच्यावर पुढील योग्य ती कारवाई केली जाईल. अशा प्रकारच्या घटना यापुढे होऊ नयेत यासाठी सायबर पोलीस स्टेशन माध्यमातून सर्व नागरिकांना सूचित करण्यात येईल, विशेषतः महिलांना आणि मुलींना.
All the victims whose image was tarnished through this app, we will reach out to them and investigate the matter further.
सायबर पोलीस स्टेशन ऑनलाईन आहे, तर आम्ही प्रेस नोट जी आपल्याला देणार आहे
I urge
त्याच्यामध्ये
all the citizens to reach to our online cyber station and complain.
तपासामध्ये कारण हा सगळा तपास काही ईमेल्स आयडी आहेत. या प्रकरणामध्ये ज्या कुणाला नागरिकांना काही माहिती तपासाबाबत द्यायची असेल त्यांनी आमच्या सायबर पोलीस स्टेशनच्या सायबर क्राईम युनिटच्या वेबसाईटवर आणि अधिकाऱ्यांच्या संपर्कामध्ये येऊन त्यांनी ही माहिती पुरवावी, जेणेकरून आम्हाला जास्तीत जास्त पुरावा या केसमध्ये एकत्रित करता येईल आणि आरोपितांबाबत
We have made
अजून
it
जास्त
amply
माहिती
clear.
आपण
We have shared some coordinates of our officers. So alert citizens, whoever come to know or get heed of more details about this matter, can always reach out on email and on other details in the press note to our officers. This can help the pace of the investigation, and we can reach out to more accused in that way.
section of society. The ladies belonging to that section have been defamed and their sentiments have been hurt by a few people who had uploaded an app on the website called Bullibai. A Twitter handle also in the same name was created. Most of the details of this case are available with you from different sources. But to tell you little details about the factuality of the case and the investigation conducted so far, we are addressing this press conference. Also, lot of rumors are floating around about the investigation or about the case. So to rule out those rumors,
So that was the Mumbai Police Chief Hemant Nagrale, who was holding this press conference with regard to the probe into the Bully Bhai app case. Remember, the police have in fact arrested 3 accused in this case so far. Let me go across to my colleague Ketan for more details. In fact, Ketan, if you could just sum up some of the key takeaways from that police press conference.
So the CP Hemant Nagrale was very clear on this. He said that this is an extremely sensitive matter, and so he will be able to divulge only basic details of the case. He said that they have arrested 3 accused so far, in which there is one accused who's from Karnataka. He's a second-year engineering student, and the second accused is from Uttarakhand, and he also mentioned a third accused. So he mentioned this, and he also urged the citizens that he's going to share some details of his officers who are investigating the matter. So citizens who want to reach out with more information can always reach out to Mumbai Police. And he said that it was a part of a proper conspiracy design, and they are going to the root of it. He said that an app was created and also a Twitter handle was created, and it was through the Twitter handle that they investigated it further and reached out to these 3 accused. He said that the Mumbai Police also intends to reach out to the victims, the women who were unfortunately targeted through this module, through this app, Bully Bhai, and their pictures were allegedly put out for auctioning on this website. So the 2-3 big takeaways is, one, that Mumbai Police has reached a certain stage in this case by arresting these 3 accused. There are more accused. There is a possibility that there are more accused and more people will be reached out, and more investigation will happen. And third is that he has urged citizens' help in helping and getting to the root of the matter. And fourth important takeaway is that that there is definitely a conspiracy allegedly to blame to target women of a certain community. That he made it clear. And from the accused that are arrested, it seemed that there are people from various Indian states who were part of this conspiracy.
That's right. In fact, Hemant Nagrale said that they are still checking for a larger conspiracy at this point in time by scanning social media sites and, of course, trying to trace one person from the other. They have managed to arrest 3 people. Most likely all 3 of them knew each other. At least 2 of them did, that we know so far. But essentially, that is the point. And Ketan, let's also not forget that Delhi police is also carrying out a simultaneous probe on this matter.
Yes, absolutely. And Delhi police, as we saw yesterday, have reached out to Twitter and have reached out to this, reached out to a particular website.
Right, Ketan Vaidya there giving us a summary of what the main takeaways from the Mumbai Police press conference was. Mumbai Police has so far arrested 3 accused in this case. These are initial days of that investigation, but a crackdown on this derogatory app by both Mumbai Police and the Delhi Police that we can see both police forces in fact conducting probes on this matter.